People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Blessed love and greetings, good morning, my viewers and subscribers. Wherever you are, my kings and queens, my lioness. I don't know, I'll put with another one, and this one is a very important visual, you know what I mean? Yeah, from this teacher. Her name is Josephia. Reside in Jamaica, live in Jamaica. She teach at Priscilla's prep school. Zine, send out through the pandemic time now the place locked down, and this video I'm covering the story because someone sent it to me and asked me to help spread the word. Zine, so that's why I put it on the platform for Uno. Can comment and try reach out to her. Maybe somebody might see this and know her. And she's in need of assistance and advice. See my viewers and subscribers. Yeah, so now I'm going to with the teacher said. Zine is very interesting, very intriguing, very annoying. That's what I say? Yeah. After the break.
Welcome to Livefoot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Come from as far as you a black man, you are an African, man a real African, proud to be your African, all a real African. If I do reason in a Zion, so we going back to the motherland, cause Babylon them going down. This are the time, so we going.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back. I don't know, look out for that tune there, Repatriation from Daddy Bastin. It's gonna be out soon, the 18th, and the Poor People production label. See? Yeah, man. My viewers and subscribers, you are the teachers.
Facebook, good afternoon. Instagram, good afternoon. I am Josephia. I am a teacher by profession and I work at Priscilla's prep school. As we all know, due to the pandemic, most of the prep schools are shut down here in Jamaica. Currently, we have less than 10 students online because majority of our students are kindergarten. And so, in order to stay alive and to survive and to provide for my children, I have no choice but to resort to private tutoring from my home. Let me just give you a little glimpse of where I live. Now, there are some neighbors across the street who are insisting that I am keeping school. The president of the association has come to me twice. 2 times I invite the man inside. I said, listen, I am not keeping school, but I have to do this now because this is the only way I can secure an income. I say as soon as the pandemic is over or as soon as school reopen, I wouldn't have to be doing private tutoring from my home. People, I need your help because the neighbors are targeting me. They're on my back and I feel like I cannot take it anymore. I tried to go over there the day the president came and they run me from the gate. Don't come over here. I say, all right. After that, I am learning that they're going around this community questioning people about my character, wanting to find out if I have husband, if I live alone, how much kids I have, as if, people doing research as if they want to come and launch an attack. I don't say anything. I keep doing my thing. When the students come in the mornings, they come in, bring them inside, and I lock my door. I lock my door. As big as this lawn is, teacher, can we go outside? I don't let them go outside because I'm not trying to become a nuisance to the community. And listen to me good, because I'm wondering if other teachers are suffering this. I am not a wrongdoer. I am a teacher. I'm an educator. And so students come here for lessons 9 to 1. I lock my door by 1 o'clock, everybody out. I am learning that they are now signing a petition against me to get me out of the community. They have called my landlord and threaten him that if he doesn't get me to stop from making my honest bread now to feed my children, that they're going to take him to court. One morning, 1:30, I got up to use the bathroom. 1:30 a.m. Facebook. I want you to tell me now. I saw the same neighbor across the street at my gate looking over here. Somebody say I should have called the police. I couldn't believe. I'm saying, but this look like serious harassment now. Now, I want you to tell me, Facebook. I'm not a thief. I don't sell myself. I'm just a teacher trying to keep afloat until we come through this pandemic, until school reopens. Why is it that these neighbors have to be tormenting me like this? Why? Why? I feel frustrated because there's nobody on my side. There's nobody to talk to. You understand me? I feel threatened. Yes. And they are now threatening my landlord, who is not even residing here in Jamaica. So my livelihood is now on the line because there are some people across the street who are fueling a complete community attack against me. Because parents reach out to me and say, Auntie, I know this online thing not going to work and my child is slow, so please help my child to back up with reading. There are those who have to go to work. Some of them, the kids are just too small to manage the online. And it is true. And so in also helping to keep the children on par and to make a living for myself, I have to be suffering like this and stressed out like this as if the pandemic is not enough to stress me out. I want them to leave me alone. I want them to leave me alone. I cannot deal with it anymore because they are not stopping. They are not stopping. Everywhere you go, you hear my name on the street. I keep insisting the school is located in Greenwood. This is me doing my thing personally, and they're still not stopping. So tell me now, should I be threatened now because I am earning an honest bread? I'm trying to survive in this pandemic. Teachers, talk up to me, teachers. Is it me alone? Am I the only one doing private tutoring from my home? Somebody talk to me because I need help. I need my voice to be heard. I need help. I need help. How must I live? When I stop from doing my lessons, are they going to pay my rent over here? Are they going to feed me when my kids cry and say they are hungry? Somebody tell me. They're going to pay my bills? What a system. What a system. People just stay, maybe because they are not suffering or this pandemic has not affected them. They feel like they must just come and terrorize people. Facebook, I need help. I need this to go out. I need my voice to be heard. Yeah, I live in Wilshire and I'm not hiding. Right at the border of Trelawney and St. James, and the people terrorizing me, harassing me. And I'm sick of it and tired of it. Tell me on what grounds can they take my landlord to court? Yes, it could have been a residential community a little more. This is me working from home. I have no choice but to use my skills to survive. Why fighting me? I'm fed up, Facebook, and stressed out. Stressed out because it's like you can't live in peace. You can't survive in peace. And I'm tired of it. I'm tired of it. So I want you to tell me on what grounds. Tag some teachers. Tag the Prime Minister. Because I see people highlighted for helping people in the community for setting up school in their backyard. I have to lock my door. I had some chairs over here. They tell me to take them off the veranda. I take them off for peace sake. So I'm trying to not become a nuisance or to be loud. Every day the kids come, teacher, can we play? Sit there. Sit there. I don't let them out. I don't let them out because what? I'm trying to keep the peace. I'm just trying to help the students while I make a living. And I have to be going under this pressure, thinking that they run the community and I'm paying rent over here. I am paying rent over where I live in. Somebody help circulate this video and give me your advice. Tell me what to do. Yes, I'm fed up. Too often people get a fight. You have to fight too hard. You have to fight too hard. The pandemic is a fight enough. And you can't live in peace. I need my voice to be heard. Facebook, tell me your thoughts. Tell me what you think. Tell me. Tag all who must tag. Because this needs to go out. Tell them to leave me alone, let me survive and provide for my children until school open back.
Boy, my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens, my line and my lines. That's how life hard, that's how people difficult. This lady is a teacher, honest, living lady, who are trying to earn her bread. During this pandemic moment, a lot of people out of work, things slow down. People lose them job, people take them life because them end up in a debt bankruptcy. All those stuff, all those sorts, see? So the lady the school, online tutoring and really I'm seeing at the paper over how much 150,000 students affected in Jamaica and have missing from school, online tutoring, so you know how much people fall back because them can't afford a tablet or them can't afford Wi-Fi or whatever. Zine, I know this lady, I try to stay current and keep the kids them occupied, and it's not just she alone, it's other parents reach out to her and ask her if she can do some homeschooling because people have them work for go. Zine, and them have the kids them, so them don't know nobody for left them with her, so them trustworthy. This teacher Joseph, isn't me the teacher? Zine, Jafaya, isn't me her name? But her neighbors them giving her a hard time, giving her hell. Zine, I don't know if these people are Jamaicans themselves or people who have come into the country come reside. You see me? I don't really go into the colour thing or the race thing, but I don't know, I can't Jamaican themselves, born Jamaican, I pressure the woman so. Jaja, the woman, you can see the woman fed up. But she have to take it to Facebook or Instagram asking for assist, help and advice. Then reach out to all and petition to get her out. So you want to say them people that care about the kids them and see something good she do for the kids them. This is why them say the rich is getting richer. Zine, and the rich don't care about the poor because them in them house, maybe them buy for them house and living a good life, a healthy life, a wealthy life. Another problem. Zine, and still in them work. So this lady, the kids, them not being a nuisance to them because the woman said she locked them up in the house until time for them to go home. She never make them go out in the yard, go play. Look how the yard big and sunny. It look like I'm a residential area. You see me? And them still pressure the woman. Them all like go on. And look over the woman yard and them thing there. Reach out to the landlord, but them can't take the landlord to court because the lady's not doing, she not do nothing, she not cause no disturbance, she not make no noise, nothing at all. It's just the little kids them she teach, to keep them occupied and educated and keep them brain ticking, refreshing, learning. You know what I mean? Come on now. This is very sad, man, and unfair. The lady try to live her honest life and earn her honest bread so she can pay her bills. So you want them to say, no, them have pressure the landlord to make this woman get kicked out. My viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens, my lion and my lioness. What enough to say about this? I want to help me share the video. Zine, and if you don't know the lady, reach out to her and give her some advice, man. What she need to do is to report it to the police and report a statement for harassment because I them harass the lady, I them harass the lady because the lady in her house are the right thing. I mind her own business and them neighbors there, you see me? Boy, I tell you a story. Life is so unfair. You see me, my viewers and subscribers. But I don't know, but I just want to share it, you see what I go on and hear it. See, so now you can show no response and remorse by assisting this lady. Zine, this teacher, she work at yeah man, go give her some support, man, and leave some advice. I know what you think in the comment section still. You see me? Yeah man, she work at Priscilla's prep basic school. Yeah. You see me? Priscilla Prep Primary School, yeah. You see it? Yeah man, big up on yourself, I don't know Lion Foot, and I'm out.